Alright guys, today we got a very interesting integral. It's not only mathematically interesting, but it's also interesting in real life, since this was asked in a university in China as a Wi-Fi password. Alright then, I would say let's just start. Also, the solution might surprise you. Alright, so the first thing we can do is multiplying these two terms together. The next thing is we can use the sum rule of integrals. So it's resulting us in two separate integrals. Alright, then let's look at the first integral. Actually, to solve this integral, we don't even need integration techniques or anything. We can only look at the property of the function. The key is now to recognize this is an odd function. To prove this is really an odd function, we can calculate f of minus x equals minus f on x. If this is true, this whole function must be an odd function. So let's do that real quick. So minus x to the power of 3 is negative. Then cosine of minus x over 2 is an even function, meaning this minus can also disappear. And square root 4 minus x to the power of 2, even if we put a minus in there, it doesn't change, so we can leave it like that. And we see the function is minus f of x. And yeah, we just prove it's an odd function. So how does this help us now? Property of odd functions is if you try to calculate the area from minus a to a, it always cancels out. Graphically, you can understand it like that. Basically, the same amount of area which is under the x-axis is the same amount of area that is above the x-axis. So for our case, this integral is basically 0. Then we're only left with this integral. Okay, to solve this now, let's just get 1.5 in front of the integral. And now, some of you might see it already. This is nothing more than a half circle with radius 2. And we know the area of a circle is pi r squared. In our case, we have to divide by 2 because we only have half circle. And yeah, let's just plug our radius in. After doing that, we get 2 pi. But we have to consider our 1.5 in front of the integral, leaving us with pi only. And then we only need to take out a calculator to get the digits of pi. And then we finally have Wi-Fi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.